AI is not taking your job. Your weak leadership identity definitely is. Here is what the World Economic Forum just reported. AI will displace 85 million jobs by 2030. At the same time, it will create 97 million new ones. Net positive. The jobs being eliminated are not the ones that require judgment, empathy, and the ability to hold a room. They are the ones where your only value was your task. By 2026, that is this year, 20% of the organizations will use AI to flatten their hierarchy. That means over 50% of middle management positions are at the risk of disappearing. Not sometime later, but it's happening right now as we speak. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, one of the most powerful technology companies in the world, said something recently that I keep coming back to. He said that, and I'm quoting directly, if you have IQ without EQ, it is just a waste. The man building AI for the world is telling you that emotional intelligence is the non-negotiable leadership skill of this era. The professionals who survive every disruption, be it technology, recession, restructuring, are the ones who have built a leadership identity so strong that no algorithm can replicate it. Harvard Business Review recently published something that's just stopped me. They said we are moving from knowledge work to what they are calling the wisdom work, where the value is no longer in what you know or how fast you can process information. The value is in your judgment, your ethics, your human-centered decision making. AI cannot do wisdom work, my dear friends. But if you have spent your career being the best executor in the room, delivering, performing, solving problems, and never developed that layer of leadership identity above it, then yes, you are exposed. Not because AI is coming for you, because you never built the thing AI cannot replicate. If this is hitting close to home, drop the word ready in the comments. I want to know who is watching and taking this seriously.